welcome back to my channel. So today, as you guys know if you've been watching me, I used to have blonde hair, now I have brown hair, and I'm gonna have to probably take my hair down to show you guys, but it's so disgusting right now. But my hair has been turning kind of more of an like orangey and has like all these red tones, especially in the sun, and I really don't like it. I like more of an ashy brown. And I've been researching on like different toners I can use, because when I have blonde hair I'd always use all these toners to get the yellow out, but it's so hard, I don't know why, to find and like search just how to get the red out of brown hair. A lot of people put blue over it and that does help, but I don't know. I didn't know if I could use like the same toners from Sally's I would use to get the orange out of like my blonde hair, if that would work for the brown or not. But you guys, if you do know, feel free to comment down below, because I still am curious. But since I couldn't really find exact like Wella toner to tone my brown hair, I did find this from Target, and it is a signature gloss. It says brass neutralizing, shine boosting, and deep conditioning, and it's silicone free and ammonia free. So I don't think this does the damage to your hair as like box dye does. I think it's more of just a toner, and also says deep conditioning. So hopefully this is good for my hair and it doesn't damage it at all. But you can see in the back there's the before and after, which I know in this lighting my hair doesn't look like that before, but my hair actually does look like that before in like natural lighting. I have a lot of red in my hair, and I've never tried a hair gloss at all. It says in shower toning gloss, which I won't do it in the shower. I'm just gonna wet my hair and then come back and show you guys, because you leave it on your hair for 20 minutes and I'm not just gonna sit in the shower for 20 minutes. I basically just wanted to make this video because I haven't made a hair one in a really long time, since my hair has been brown. I haven't really been able to dye it any fun colors, but now I'm like, if there are any brunettes out there that can relate, maybe this will help you guys. And I really don't know like how well it's going to do, but I will take my hair down a little and show you guys really what I am talking about and the red tones I am talking about. But first, for all of us to learn, I pulled up what really hair gloss is, because I have seen on like Instagram of hair videos before, and like hairstylists, they're like, oh, doing this gloss on the client or whatever, and I'm just like, I've never got that done. And I don't know if it's a new thing, I just feel like not a lot of people talk about hair gloss. So this is the definition that L'Oreal gives, and it says a hair gloss is basically a shine treatment for colored strands. The intended outcome of using a hair gloss is a longer lasting and more vibrant hair color, as well as reducing split ends, frizzy hair, and overall dryness. Hair gloss treatments, depending on the type, can also sometimes be used to tone your hair. So this is definitely a type that is used to tone my hair. And that definition, I feel like everyone should use this. This was $14.99. And if this can like really give me shiny hair, reduce my split ends, and tone my hair, like I will literally be using this all the time. It says lasts 3 to 4 weeks, which I shampoo my hair, I would say every other day, and so it will probably last like 2 to 3 weeks for me, because anytime a hair color says something, it always lasts a shorter period of time on my hair. So I would say for me it'll probably last 2 to 3 weeks. $14.99 I feel like is really not a bad price at all. If you guys want to know the shade I got in, it's Smoky Topaz Medium Neutral Blonde, which they had like just a regular like brown, like a medium brown, but it was out, so I got the shade a little lighter. And I don't know, like the top of her hair looks dark and the bottom looks light, but my whole hair kind of looks like the bottom of this picture, I feel like, or like the in-between. So guys, just my hair is literally disgusting, because I had it in a ponytail yesterday and a bun today, and I never like straightened it from the last time I washed it or like brushed it or anything. It's like literally just disgusting right now. So this is what we're working with. So let me get up close. Okay, there you go. You guys can see how there's more red tones in my hair. Let me put my flashlight like on my phone on it so you guys can kind of see it. in the light. Okay, why does that look like kind of purple on camera? But you can definitely see how there's like red and orange tones in my hair, and that is what I really don't want, because like I said before, I want like a really nice ashy brown. And it says wet hair thoroughly in the shower, step number 1. Then you're gonna mix bottles 1 and 2 together, shake gently and apply all over. Wait 10 to 20 minutes, and then you shampoo and condition as usual. So I'm going to hop in the shower and come back and do this, but I want to open it up real quick and just look at exactly what it gives us. So this is the activator with little toilet paper roll on it. I'm just kidding. But this is the activator. This stuff looks like so high end. I don't know. Like, I like the packaging a lot of, like, even this. I like the packaging, how that's like shiny. So, and then this says number 2 is a smoky topaz gloss. So I guess I just pour this in there and shake it. And then it gives us gloves, which you guys know I hate using gloves, but I probably will use it this time. So yeah, let me go hop in the shower, and I'm gonna come right back, and hopefully I'll have nice wet hair for us to do this. Now I am right back, and I'm going to mix this stuff real quick. Sorry if you hear my family screaming. Football's on right now and they're being really loud. Even though I told them I'm filming a video. Alright, so I'm pouring bottle number 2 into bottle number 1. And we're going to shake this up. It said shake gently, so I guess we'll just move back and forth like this. Hopefully that's enough. I am going to throw on this black t-shirt over my towel because I don't want to ruin the white towel, because my mom will probably get mad at me for that. Okay, I'm going to part my hair in 2 to kind of make this process easier. I tried not wringing out my hair in the shower so it would still be like really wet, but I did wring it out just a tiny bit because I didn't want to really soak up the floors, and I'm sure it'll be fine. Now, I'm not planning on really like sectioning this off that much. I'm just gonna kind of go for it and rub it all in my hair. It does have a scent, definitely a chemical smell. As you can see from this bottle, there's like a brown tint, but not like brown enough to where it's turning my hair color right now. It's very, very, very hard to tell what hair you've covered so far. And if this is an in-shower treatment, I don't know how in the shower without even looking in the mirror you're supposed to tell. But I guess since my hair is wet, it will help blend it all over. Definitely wouldn't say you would need more than a bottle unless you have extremely, extremely long hair, because I feel like I covered almost all my hair and I still have half the bottle left. So I'm just gonna kind of keep going. It's still not really turning my hair any color from what I see, as what like a toner I feel like would kind of change color. Right now it's still very clear, so maybe this is more of a gloss than a toner, even though on the packaging you can really tell that it changed the color from the before and after. But obviously they're going to use a dramatic before and after to make you buy the stuff. I'm not stupid, I know that. Because my gloves, you can see, are still clear, so obviously this is not really dyeing anything. It does look glossy though, I would say, but also my hair's wet, so I guess, I don't know, I can't really say anything yet. Hopefully there will be a really nice change to this. Because yeah, pulling my hair apart now, I actually do feel like it's getting darker. Yeah, I'm going to leave this in for 20 minutes and I'll come back after my shower and show you it, but it will still be wet. So I'll probably will have the final results like tomorrow, because I won't even really know what's going on with my hair when it's still wet. You know, it's really hard to tell. But yeah, I will show you though when it is wet right after this how it's looking so far. Okay guys, I am back after my shower. It is getting dark outside, as you can see, so the lighting's not really that good in here, but I did want to show you my hair wet out of the shower. Honestly, to me it doesn't look like it did that much. My hair is soft, I will say. It's just, I still see a bunch of like brassy tones, to be honest. But maybe it is because it's wet, because I do see less red tones. They more are brassy, so I don't know what's gonna look better honestly with my hair, but we'll see when it dries. Tomorrow I'll come back when it's like light out and I have my hair all dry. I mean, I'm not really like positive on if it did anything yet, but tomorrow I'll definitely come back and show you guys and kind of recap what I really think this stuff did for me. Hi guys, so it is the next day and I want to show you guys my hair. Let me open up my windows a little more so you can see it better. But I will say it definitely got rid of orange tones in my hair. Okay, this lighting is so weird. I'm literally right next to the window. You think this would be really good lighting. But for some reason my hair seems more of like a purpley burgundy tone. So it didn't make it a true ashy brown at all. My hair feels smooth, but honestly I feel like it feels like normal. After I wash my hair, this I feel like is how my hair feels. Overall, probably won't use this stuff again, but if you guys know of any just toners to help me get that true ashy brown from now, what my hair is looking like. Okay, well now it looks kind of lighter. I don't know. This lighting is kind of weird, but when I was looking at it earlier, it did look more purple than orange. Maybe if you guys did have like balayage or highlights, then maybe give this a try. And guys, I think I am going to try to go blonde soon when it starts getting warmer outside in like February or March. So in like a month I'll probably start dyeing my hair. And so I know I mentioned like baby lights before, but I think what I'm gonna end up doing is just like balayage, trying to do it on myself. I know, probably a bad idea, but I don't care. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys have any other hair things you want me to try out, or literally any beauty related thing or just anything, comment them down below. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.